Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a group chat in Facebook Messenger. The first thing you need to do is to launch the Messenger app on your iOS or your Android device. I have done that here. Now tap on the new message icon, usually represented by a pencil inside a square, located in the top right corner of the screen. Then it's going to take you to this window where you have a couple of features. The next thing you need to do is to tap the group chat button that appears on the screen. This will allow you to start a new group chat. Now, click on that. You'll be taken to a screen, which is this screen, where you can search for and select the content you want to include in the group chat. Use the search bar to find specific contacts, then tap their names to add them to the group. You either have your contacts here, which are displayed here, or you can use the search bar to search any contact that is not available under the suggested category. So let's say I have clicked on this person and I have clicked on this person and I want to create a chart. The next thing to do is to tap create at the top right corner of this screen. So once you tap on create, that's going to be it. The name will be created, or the group will be created. To name the group, tap on the group's name or the group's name, which we have right here, and at the top right corner you have the three dots menu. Click on that and click on change name to change the name. Another way to go about that, which is pretty much the easiest, click on the name icon and rename the group here. Something casual. And click on save. Once you click on save, the name of the group will be changed. Now you can customize your group settings by accessing the additional settings. Of course, once you type the info icon, which is at the top right corner, you can add a group photo, adjust notification settings, or manage group members. Anything you want to do here, just go ahead and manage or customize your group settings. Then type your message in the input field and send. Tap send to communicate with the group. So here you go. This input field, tap your message. If you want to add attachments, use any of the icons in the input field to just have fun. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.